Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 96 Balgarvie Crescent, Cupar. This is a rarely available, spacious, 3-bedroom ground floor flat. Yes, you heard that right. This is a 3-bedroom and that's exactly why it's rarely available. So this is a fantastic opportunity for you to come in, make this property your own and potentially add value. So you don't want to miss out on this because it has so much on offer. You've got a garden to the front that you could easily develop into off-street parking with a driveway. You then have not 2 but 3 great sized bedrooms. Even if you don't need all 3 bedrooms, you would get a fantastic home office study, children's playroom. You then have a spacious and bright living room, kitchen and shower room, and there is ample storage throughout with this property. And you also do get garden to the rear. So it's a property that ticks all the boxes. You just need to come in, really make it your own and put your own stamp on it. And as I say, you know you're going to add value. And then, of course, you get to enjoy the location. Everything on your doorstep, you're walking distance to amenities, schooling, leisure facilities, shops, cafes, bakers. There really is everything that you could need within Cupar, and you're securing this really available property. Let me take you on the tour, show you exactly what you're getting, and as always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is the front of the property, 96. So you have this pathway here that leads you to your front door. So you have bedroom, living room. So you take up this whole bottom level and it's so spacious, it's brilliant. And then you get all of this garden to the front. And as I'm saying, you could easily obviously take that down and open this up and create off-street parking with your own driveway, whether it be chip, monoblock, obviously just whatever works for you. And even doing that, even if you just did half, you would still obviously keep some garden to the front. But as it stands, you just have mature shrubs and plants and borders. But there's plenty of development opportunity within that. And then we are just here through this door. Now obviously that takes us round to the garden. We will come to that shortly. But this is you into your property. So coming into the property, you have an entrance vestibule area. This is a fantastic size storage cupboard. So you've got plenty of storage in there. Also houses the boiler, which is good. It keeps out the kitchen space. But that is brilliant as you first come into the property. And then you just have this large, really long entrance hallway and all your rooms coming off it. So it is a really spacious property. So we're going to start with your bedrooms. So this is your main bedroom, fantastic size. You have a kind of storage press cupboard just there. But look at that, you've got that great big window overlooking the garden to the rear, which makes it so bright in here. So it is a fantastic size. Then coming across, you have really generous sized second bedroom. So again, plenty of floor space, further storage in the cupboard in the corner just there. But you really are spoilt with the size of the rooms with this property. And then coming along, this is your extra addition of your bedroom, which as I say is rarely available. So this is your third bedroom. Again, a really good size. You have a storage cupboard just here, but you have got plenty of space. And what's brilliant is if you perhaps don't need all 3 bedrooms, this would make a brilliant home office study, children's playroom perhaps, or even if you wanted to have a separate dining area. But that's a great thing. Having that third bedroom gives you options, which is just brilliant. Then you have this generous sized, currently a wet room, shower room. You can easily see by the size in here, you could get a bath in here. You could probably fit a 4-piece in here if you wanted to. But you've got options as it is. You have your WC, wash hand basin, and then just your shower. But that is your main bathroom. And then you come into this, again, really spacious and bright living room space. Again, brilliant because you've got that large window, so you've got plenty of natural light flooding in. And then all of this space. Obviously, currently, there is a fireplace. Whether you wish to take that out, create a nice media wall, a feature. You have a cupboard just in there, so again, good for storage. So you do have plenty of storage throughout with this property. Again, making it ideal for a family. You just need to come in and put your own stamp on it. And then you come into your kitchen. So you've got plenty of space for cabinets and worktops. As it stands, you have all of this cabinet space on this wall. You have space for freestanding appliances. And then you have additional space on this wall just here. Again, there is currently worktop for space for freestanding appliances. Whether you wanted to completely do worktops and cabinets for more storage, or even if you wanted to just leave this open, you could get a dining table, you could do a nice island, a breakfast bar. And that's the great thing with this property. You are coming in, putting your own stamp on it, really making it your own, but you have the space to be able to do that, which is a fantastic option. Now let me show you outside. So coming straight out the back door, you have this private patio area just here. So this is just for yourself, and this element isn't shared. So this is a fantastic addition. Get some garden furniture out here. You could even look at doing a pergola if you perhaps, just to create a bit of shelter. But this is a brilliant addition to have. And because that property is so set back, you actually don't feel overlooked. So you could just sit here and enjoy the sun, obviously on a nicer day than today. But this is a fantastic addition. Now, like with all of these properties, the garden to the rear is split and divided. So you do have your own section. And you can see that it's the section where you have the kind of outbuildings sheds. So fantastic option for outdoor storage. But as you can see, this will be an absolute sun trap as well. And as I say, you don't feel awfully overlooked. And then that is just looking back at your property. But it is great to have that addition there that's already in place for you. And then, as I say, you can utilise and make use of outdoor garden space. So let's do a recap of 96. So that was the personal property tour for 96 Balgarvie Crescent, Cupar. As you've just seen, you're getting a rarely available fantastic opportunity to acquire a 3-bedroom ground floor flat. Hardly ever come up, so you do not want to miss this. You maybe didn't even know that there were 3 beds of this particular property type, so you do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Come in, put your own stamp on it, and really make it your own, knowing you've got that potential to add value. And it does have a lot on offer. You've got the garden to the front, whether you leave it be or create off-street parking and a driveway space. You then have 3 great sized bedrooms, ample storage throughout, generous sized family living room, kitchen and shower room. And even if you don't need 3 bedrooms, you've got the fantastic option for a home office study, children's playroom, dining area. You just make it work for you and perhaps your family. And then you've got the garden space to the rear. So it is a property that ticks a lot of boxes. Just come in and really make it your own. And as I say, it's really available, so you do not want to miss out on this, because it is in a fantastic location as well for walking distance to local primary and nursery school, Bell Baxter for the secondary high schooling, amenities, the Bonnie Gate, the retail park, the high street for all of your cafes, bistros, restaurants, shops. You've got the doctors, you've got the dentist, you've got the train station for commuting to further afield. So it really is a fantastic location, everything on your doorstep, an affordable price point, and a brilliant opportunity that you do not want to miss out on. So click the link to get further details or call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.